The Vitamix E310 blender is a premium choice for serious home cooks and professionals alike. Known for its robust build, powerful motor, and exceptional versatility, this blender is a kitchen powerhouse that goes beyond just smoothies. With a powerful 2.0 horsepower motor, it blends the toughest ingredients from frozen fruits to dense vegetables, creating silky smooth blends. Its large 64-ounce container is perfect for making big batches, whether it's soups, sauces, or smoothies for the entire family. Cleanup is easy with its self-cleaning function that takes less than 60 seconds. Built with durability in mind, this blender is a long-term investment that performs at the highest level. The Cleanblend Commercial Blender is an excellent blender for those who need professional-grade performance at a competitive price. Designed to handle high-volume blending, this blender is ideal for both home and commercial use. With a 3 HP motor, it effortlessly blends even the hardest ingredients. The stainless steel 8-blade system ensures smooth and consistent textures. Its BPA-free 64-ounce container allows you to prepare large batches with ease. This blender is incredibly versatile, capable of crushing ice, making hot soups, and even producing homemade nut butters. Engineered for longevity, it's a great investment for those who blend frequently. The Vitamix E310 Explorian blender is an excellent choice. With a slightly smaller footprint and a powerful motor, this blender brings professional-grade performance to everyday kitchens. A 2.0 horsepower motor delivers consistent blending power for smoothies, soups, and more. The variable speed control and pulse feature let you fine-tune your blend for the perfect texture. The 48-ounce container is compact yet large enough for medium-sized batches. The hardened stainless steel blades handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. The Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender is a fantastic option for those who need powerful performance in a sleek and compact design. The 1100-watt motor provides high-speed blending power, making it easy to crush ice and create nutrient-packed smoothies. Its XL 72-ounce pitcher is great for preparing large batches of drinks or meals. It also includes two 16-ounce cups with to-go lids, making it easy to blend and take your smoothie on the road. With multiple speed settings, including a pulse function and a dedicated single-serve mode, this blender offers versatility for a range of recipes. The NutriBullet Pro 900-watt personal blender is perfect for those who want quick, efficient blending without sacrificing power. Designed for personal use, this blender is great for smoothies, shakes, and nutrient-rich blends on the go. A 900-watt motor provides strong blending power, breaking down fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds effortlessly. Its compact and portable design takes up minimal counter space and is easy to store. It includes two 32-ounce cups, perfect for personal-sized servings, complete with lids for easy transport. Thanks for watching.